And next comes with the concept called business process. So business process is nothing but it's kind of a workflow. Okay, so in SAP generally it's called as a workflow. For example, if at all you're hiring an employee, it's a business process. Okay, it's a process how you are hiring an employee. What are the stages you have in hiring of an employee? Let's say you are terminating an employee. So what are the stages you have while you terminate an employee? Let's say you are promoting an employee. So all these are nothing but business processes. Now, why we have this in Workday? Because every client have their own processes. It's not necessary that two clients can have the same process. Maybe TCS can have, Tata Consultancy Services can have one sort of process for hiring of an employee, and Deloitte Consulting can have another process of hiring of an employee, right? So it's not necessary that both these companies or all the companies has to maintain only one process. So these business processes are always specific to your clients. We have to always go and configure these BPs for our client specific requirement, saying that if my client says that I have 5 level stages in my hiring, so you have to configure 5 stages. For other client, if he says that I have 10 stages, you have to configure 10 stages. So that's all you will configure for all the BPs. And let me tell you, these BPs are given by Workday. You don't need to create anything. The structure is given, but you just need to go to that structure and you need to just place the steps in it, and then you have to test it thoroughly. Okay, so that's where your BPs will come into the picture. Okay, so the last topic in core HCM is your transactions. Transactions is something like whoever goes as part of and support guys. Okay, this is majorly used for a support consultants, because whenever we go for a support consultants, immediately you'll get a requirement saying that, okay, this employee is not getting benefits information, or this employee is not getting bonus plan. Just go and check. So you need to know the navigations immediately. Okay, where you have to go, where you have to test it, how to debug it, how to navigate it. Okay, all these are something like transactions. So we generally do some sample transactions like promoting an employee, terminating an employee, or hiring of an employee, how these transactions happen, how you have to debug and everything. So those are kind of an basic transactions that we always do. Or let's say if your client says that I want this cost center to be removed from this set of employees, then you have to know where you can remove it. So that is again part of your organization assignments. So there you have to go to that particular employee and start removing the cost centers. Okay, but again, that's a BP. Whenever you want to remove, you want to add, everything is an BP. You need to know that how to track those BPs, how to do it from a client perspective. Okay, yeah, so these are all the points that we want to cover in core HCM module. So